Good morning, guys. How are you all today? I am doing great because the sun is out. Finally the sun is out. It's been gloomy here like all weekend. So today we have sunlight, which is awesome. So I'm downstairs about to fix us some breakfast. I'm thinking I'm gonna just, never mind my clothes over there because I'm washing clothes and that's the laundry room right there. So yeah, but so I'm about to make me an egg, cheese, 3-pepper blend omelet because I'm trying to do right. No DD for me. So I'm gonna make me that, and then I'm gonna make, and then I'm gonna cook Jalen just the usual. Probably some bacon and the waffles today. Make it really, really easy and simple. Not a whole 5-star breakfast like I did yesterday. So yeah, I'm about to do that. I have some errands that I need to run. I really need to go back to HD because I did not get everything that I needed to get as far as my supplies. And my thing is greasy. I need to get some of that Method wood cleaner. I think it's by Method that I've been seeing people use because I use the Pledge furniture wash, and all it does to me is make like this greasy little area on my cabinets. And so I need something that's just gonna like streak all the cabinets just super clean, especially with my new knobs. You don't see my knobs? Eee. But yeah, I want to make sure that yeah, my arm hurt. So I am gonna attempt to try to make me some sugar-free coffee though, with my K-cups. And I'm working on a little bit of organization with those too, which I'll just do that in a whole nother video. Cause I put some flowers over here for spring, but I really don't know if that's how I want to leave my coffee station like that. I'm not a big fan of those flowers, honestly. I mean, temporarily they're okay, but I want to get some more from like Michael's or Hobby Lobby when they have them 50% off. So I'm just about to get my day started around here so that I can get out and do what I need to do. Alright, so this is my omelet. It is by no means perfect. It is my version of an omelet, and I know I cook it the lazy way by putting all of the ingredients in the same skillet, but I like that because it only messes up one skillet. So I'm about to chow down into this bad boy. And this is keto friendly too, guys, so that's the reason why I decided to just do a ham and cheese and egg omelet with the onions and the peppers. I think it totals probably like 5 carbs for the whole meal, so yay. Alright guys, so I do want to show you, Levoit sent me another humidifier. This is a much smaller version than the other one that I received last time, which I actually like because it's a lot less compact than the other one. But it is really simple and really easy to use. So in order to use it, you basically can just take this part off right here, which is the top. And now I'm going to actually remove the top half from it. And this is where I am going to put my water. So I'm just going to unscrew this part right here. and it has this big open area right here, which is where you put the water in. I'm gonna pour the water in here. It does take quite a bit of water, so I'm gonna have to do this a couple of times. So I'm gonna take the top and screw it back on. It actually has a little arrow button that lets you know which way is to loosen and which way is to fasten. And it's nice and tight. I don't wanna over tighten it, but yeah, it's on. So now I'm gonna take it and just flip it back on the upright side, and it gets really heavy because of the water. Ooh. There we go. Okay. Super easy, super easy. I'm gonna put this top back on, and you can actually hear the water settling. So now I'm gonna insert this top back on. Ooh. And turn it on. Super easy to operate. Really lightly. You don't even really push this button, but you kind of just glide your finger over it. And I don't know if you guys can see the steam coming from up out of it. It's like really cool mist air. And so that is the lowest setting. If I do it again, orange is the medium setting, and then the last setting, which is purple, is the highest setting, which is gonna really push out more and more mist. But it's really nice, and it's really quiet. You can barely hear it. It's super quiet. And then also, ooh, it's blowing in my face. So I'm gonna turn it back down on the lowest setting. That's off, but I'm gonna turn it back on so that you can see on the side here, it shows your water level. Now mine is full because I just filled it up. So it's completely full. But one of the cool things about this one is that here on the back right here, there is a little place where you can put your essential oils, which also makes your home smell good and relaxes you while you are sleeping or using it throughout the day. And you just basically take your finger and push it out, and this little piece right here comes out, and this is the piece that you would use to basically put your essential oils and everything in. I don't have essential oils. I use the oils from Bath and Body Works, but those are more fragrant oils, so I will get some essential oils to use it so that it can, you know, put some aromatherapy in my home. But I'm just going to insert it back in, push it back in, and that is pretty much it, y'all. This is like super easy to use. Just water, a click of a few buttons, add your oil, and if you turn this, I believe, yeah, it controls like what direction the mist and everything will blow in, as well as how much comes out. And that is it, guys. So I love this thing. The other one I have upstairs in my bedroom, but now that I have a second one, I will probably use this one in Jalen's room because she has asked to use mine. And so now that we have a smaller one, this one would be perfect for her room. My island isn't gonna stay like this. I purchased some new things, which you all will see in my home decor haul, and I was just kind of playing with it, testing it out, seeing how I want to set it up. Of course, this is not it because I want to get another tray for my island. I think I do want to leave this here, but I need some floral stems to put in this vase right here. And I always leave my marble and gold coasters over here. I've been eating all my candy from Valentine's Day. Babe hooked me up on Valentine's Day. Super sweet. Surprised me at work with my chocolates and some flowers, and it's only a few days later and we are only down to 3. And I took the gold container that they had everything in out because I thought this was like a cute little acrylic case that I could use like later for something else. So I tried to take the paper off the back, but I'm gonna have to wet it. So I still have this here. I'm pretty sure those 3 will be gone by end of the day. And I have one last knob to get on in one of my drawers that needs to be cleaned out before we put the knobs on that. So today's a paper towel day, guys. I know I said I wasn't going to be using a lot of paper towels, which I've been doing good, but I need my paper towel today, so. It's not a deep clean, I'm just basically freshening the kitchen back up from me cooking. Head to Marshall's. I'm talking to my friend, want to go at the same time as I'm trying to walk into Marshall's to see what they have in here. Oh, these are super cute. That's really cute, but it don't smell good. It's only $3. I might get it just for decoration. It's really cute. Coconut and milk bath. I love the smell of coconut, and this is by DW Home, so I bet you it smells amazing. Let's see. I took the top off. That smells amazing. So these are really pretty, and this is like one of those new colors that I've been seeing around a lot, that mint green. Ooh, okay, let's see what it smells like. It smells really good. I love the way it smells. All right, so this one is lemon verbena. It's really mild, it smells good. I have a bigger one too. These smell so good. And they're pretty too. I think I'm gonna get one of these and put in my kitchen. Alright, so what else do we have? This one stinks. That's it. Oh, this one is really big and pretty. Smells pretty good. I really like this table. I'm still into my whole little farmhouse theme. This is a really pretty table, and it's only $99.99. This chair. This chair is really nice. It's that pretty beige linen ecru color that I've been using. Really pretty. So, so far, the only thing I have are candles that I've seen in here that I like. But I need to get home so that I can cook dinner. Tonight is Mexican night for us. So I need to get out of this store because Phelan's at home hungry. I already know it.